Welcome to my channel Raza Cool in English. So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you how you can set the clock timing and timer in your microwave oven, that too very easily. So let's start the video. First of all, press the stop and reset button of the microwave oven once. After that we will press the timer and clock button once. Now you can see 24H timing is visible in the display of the microwave. In this timing you can set the present clock time. For example, suppose it is 1:07 in phone. Now set the time using the minute and second buttons. And if I set this time by pressing the timer clock button, the time will be set. I hope you have understood the information given by me. Then like my video and subscribe to the channel.